Alright, so this video is to show you a new feature that we have, okay, which is able to create campaigns for you in a second. So you just go to your Samurai page, go to add settings. That's currently where it lives right now. There's this button called create campaign set. Okay, this is going to create what we call Cavalry campaign. Okay, it's going to actually create 5 campaigns for you. It's going to be an exact match campaign, phrase match campaign, broad match campaign, a product targeting campaign, and an automatic campaign. Now, since November of last year, 2018, there was new type of automatic campaign with 4 type of targeting types within the auto. If you don't have this kind of automatic campaign, you should have one for every one of your products. Let's say this one's going to be a can opener campaign, and this is your overall product budget. So this is going to include, for all those 5 campaigns together, what's your overall daily budget. So I'm just going to say it's $25. That's going to give you about $7 in exact match, $6 in product targeting campaign, I think 5 in auto, like 4 in broad, things like that. So I'll put a guide in here at some point so you can look at it, but just this is your overall total budget spend. You can always edit later. This is max bid. So let's say for some reason in here I was told one of the Amazon recommended keywords was, let's say, KitchenAid stand mixer. Maybe those bids go up to maybe $8, something like that. Let's just say theoretically. So me, no matter what, I don't want to spend more than $3.50, because maybe that's my profit on, let's say, one of these, and I don't, that's just the absolute maximum. Could be way less for you, right? Could have $2, whatever you want to have. I'll put $2.50 here. For now, just leave all these campaigns here. We're gonna make it so you can, not have the auto, not have the product or whatever. These 3 campaigns that we have, but currently we use them all. So we put your SKU in here. Hopefully you know how to find your SKU, not your ASIN, and then keywords. So there's a couple things here you could do. You're gonna put all the search terms that have converted. Okay, and let's put all the search terms for you for the can opener, or for whatever SKU you put in here. Okay. And then Amazon suggested, if you put that, it'll add way more keywords here, ones that Amazon is suggesting for this SKU, same as if you go into Amazon and create a campaign. So if you take them out, you can take them out as well. You see this like went less? That's because that's what that is. So all these have actually made sales on this keyword. Then you could do 2 things right now. You can use Amazon's bid recommendation for all these keywords, or you can, not use them and just say, for no matter what, for everything I want to do $1.25. I'm going to give it a shot. In this case, I'm just going to use Amazon bid recommendations. And then I'm going to default to this. Okay. On exact, it'll be $1.25, phrase 75 cents, broad 50 cents. Okay, now here's product targeting. So here, this is pretty cool as well. You can do the same thing. Load all converting ASINs. So you can do that. And these will load up in there. This is actually a discontinued product. And they never had any information on here for this exact product, but if you do this to a product, normally it'll have a bunch of results here, and then if I just do load suggested ASINs, then it's going to say, okay, Amazon says 153 total ASINs that it's recommending. Yes, go ahead. These are those. Okay, but if you did have converting ones, then you press it, and that's it. Okay, and then what you want to bid on these ASINs. So let's say, yeah, $1 for this item seems pretty good. And then any keywords you want to have that you do not want to target on any of these campaigns. And same with negative products. You say, I don't want to target, this other guy because I know I've always, historically you've had bad history from that person. So that's it. And then you create campaigns, and it's going to make those 5 campaigns for you. Thank you very much. Boom. Success. All right, so then you go into Seller Central, you can see the 5 of them, or you can see them right here in Samurai as well. And now that has a, that's what we call the 4 horsemen or the Cavalry campaign. And this is just a set of campaigns optimized to give you the most profit and find the most amount of keywords for any product that you have. Thanks.